to make chili chicken gravy restaurant style in a simple and easy way. If you like the recipe, then please give it a thumbs up. So let's start. In a mixing bowl, take quarter teaspoon of ginger paste, quarter teaspoon of garlic paste, half teaspoon of salt, quarter teaspoon of red chili flakes, quarter teaspoon of black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoon of corn flour, mix everything well. We are going to make a thick batter by adding in little amount of water. Add water in 2 to 3 batches so that the batter doesn't become runny. We need a nice thick batter. Now add 1 cup of boneless chicken pieces which are cut in bite size. Mix it nicely and coat the chicken pieces well with the batter. For frying, heat oil. Place the chicken pieces gently. We are going to fry our chicken pieces till they are nice, crisp, golden brown in color. Flip it and cook it from the other side. Our chicken are done nicely. Now with the help of a strainer, strain the excess oil and reserve it for later. Now we are going to fry our capsicum and onions. For that, add 1 cup of onions cut in cubes. We are going to fry our onions for 2 to 3 minutes and then we are going to add 1 cup of capsicum which we will fry for 1 to 2 minutes. Our onions and capsicum are done. Now remove it from the oil. In the same pan, remove the excess oil. Then add 1 teaspoon of ginger, garlic and green chili. Saute them for few seconds. Now add 3 teaspoons of tomato ketchup, 2 teaspoons of green chili sauce, 1 teaspoon of red chili sauce, 2 teaspoons of dark soya sauce, 2 teaspoons of white vinegar. Mix the sauces nicely and cook them for 2 to 3 minutes on high flame. Add salt to taste, keeping in mind that sauces also contains salt, some freshly crushed black pepper. Mix well. Now add 1 cup of water. Mix it and bring it to a boil. Add corn flour slurry, which we have prepared by adding in 2 teaspoons of corn flour in half cup of water. Mix it and let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Add half teaspoon of sugar for balancing the taste of a chili chicken. Now add the fried onion, capsicum and chicken pieces. Mix well and cook it for 2 to 3 minutes on high flame. Chili chicken gravy is done. Now transfer it to a serving dish. Our chili chicken in gravy is ready. If you like the recipe, then give it a thumbs up. And if you are new to the channel, then subscribe the channel for more such easy and delicious recipes.